Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to show you how to create a new Instagram account. So let's dive in. So now all you have to do is click on create new account. Just follow the simple process that I have done in the first 5 seconds, and that is just going to a profile, clicking on your name on the top of the screen and selecting create new account. Now you're going to type in a new username that you want to use, and sometimes it's already being used, so you have to alter it in some way. The next thing you're going to do is create a password, or you could link it with a pre-existing account. I'm just going to go ahead and create a new password. It's the easier choice, and I'm going to add an email to my account, and they will send a confirmation code through email. And what you're going to do is go to your Instagram, and you're going to copy that code. It's just a bunch of random numbers, and it is that easy. Our account is up. Now from this point, all you have to do is simple things as customization of your account, such as deciding whether you want your account to be public or private. And that is how you do it, guys. If you found this helpful, please be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.